Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're breaking down the vocabulary of common kitchen tools in English. Let's get started. Knife. Knife. Paring knife. Paring knife. Chef's knife. Chef's knife. Bread knife. Bread knife. Cleaver. Cleaver. Cutting board. Cutting board. Peeler. Peeler. Grater. Grater. Mandolin. Mandolin. Kitchen shears. Kitchen shears. Measuring cups. Measuring cups. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons. Kitchen scale. Kitchen scale. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Whisk. Whisk. Spatula. Spatula. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Rubber spatula. Rubber spatula. Electric mixer. Electric mixer. Blender. Blender. Food processor. Food processor. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Baking sheet. Baking sheet. Cake pan. Cake pan. Muffin tin. Muffin tin. Pastry brush. Pastry brush. Cooling rack. Cooling rack. Saucepan. Saucepan. Frying pan. Frying pan. Stock pot. Stock pot. Dutch oven. Dutch oven. Wok. Wok. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Slow cooker. Slow cooker. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Steamer basket. steamer basket, ladle, ladle, tongs, tongs, serving spoon, serving spoon, slotted spoon, slotted spoon, salad spinner, salad spinner, colander, colander, sieve, sieve, zester, zester, baster, baster, garlic press, garlic press, can opener, can opener, bottle opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, corkscrew, ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop, potato masher, potato masher, meat thermometer, meat thermometer, timer, timer, oven mitts, oven mitts, skimmer, skimmer, pizza cutter, pizza cutter, nutcracker, nutcracker, mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle, egg slicer, egg slicer, melon baller, melon baller, microwave, microwave, toaster, toaster, toaster oven, toaster oven, coffee maker, coffee maker, electric kettle, electric kettle, stand mixer, stand mixer, hand mixer, hand mixer, immersion blender, immersion blender, ice maker, ice maker, plate, plate, kitchen towel, kitchen towel, dish towel, dish towel. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap on our kitchen tools vocabulary lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident navigating your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tutorials. Follow us on social media for more daily inspiration and behind-the-scenes content. Happy cooking!